If you leak when you laugh, sneeze, or exercise, you're not alone. I'm Joe, founder of Dynamic Spine and Sport Rehabilitation. Here's what's really happening. Your pelvic floor is your body's hidden core, a hammock of muscles holding your organs. After childbirth, aging, or even heavy lifting, these muscles weaken. 1 in 3 women and 1 in 9 men suffer silently. Here's the breakthrough. Our Emsella chair triggers 11,000 pelvic contractions in just 28 minutes. That's months of Kegels in one session. You sit fully clothed while electromagnetic technology rebuilds your muscle strength. 95% of our patients report significant improvement. No surgery, no downtime, just sitting and letting science restore your control. Most see results after just 3 sessions. Stop planning your life around bathrooms. Real solutions exist.